Welcome to week 2 of Earth Month with the City of Cedar Rapids. Today, we will share how you can protect and nourish our environment along with us in the city to build a more beautiful, vibrant community. My name is Eric Holthouse, and I work as the city's sustainability coordinator, coordinating our iGreenCR action plan, which is the city's operational sustainability plan, as well as our community climate action plan. I'm joined today by my colleagues, Kara Matson, our stormwater manager, Brent Neighbor, our park superintendent, and Todd Fagan, our city arborist. Kara, can you please share how our community can take action this Earth Month?
Hi, Eric. Sure. I wanted to share a little bit about stormwater and how residents can help us manage localized flash flooding. Rainwater impacts everybody, and management starts with you. The city offers programs to help you manage your stormwater. Projects can include soil quality restoration, rain gardens, permeable pavers, and other infiltration practices. Reach out to the city to learn more about the financial partnership opportunities through the Stormwater Cost Share Program.
Thank you, Kara. Brent, our park superintendent, what can our community do to support the environment this Earth Month?
Thanks, Eric. This spring, you can plant flowers, shrubs, and trees that are native to this region that support biodiversity. Avoid species that are non-native if you wish to attract pollinators like monarch butterflies, bumblebees, and songbirds. The city and you are important leaders in supporting pollinator species like those and others. Native pollinators are beautiful and important to our environmental health. You can find resources and guides for planting native pollinators on the iGreenCR website.
Thank you, Brent. Now, Todd, our city arborist, please share what residents can do to support the environment this Earth Month.
Thanks, Eric. Replanting from the derecho is really important. We want to ensure that a diverse group of trees are planted so that we have a strong urban forest in the future. In addition, plant the right tree in the right place so it can survive and thrive. Focus on native trees and shrubs that support pollinator species, and keep new trees watered and mulched properly. You can visit the forestry page on the city website to view the city's approved tree list and view instructional tree planting videos.
Awesome. Well, thank you, everybody. Those are some great insights. For those of you watching, stay tuned to the city's social media pages throughout the month of April, as we'll continue to share more green tips with you. So thank you for joining us today, and happy Earth Month.